After an extremely buoyant first half of 2025, the Cairns property market certainly is continuing its trend with a very busy July. It's certainly a seller's market still, with strong buyer demand and continued lack of stock to replenish the swift sales. Median prices in both houses and units are continuing to rise, with no expectation of that changing in the near future. The upper end of $1 million to $2 million has shown good recent activity, with a mix of cashed up local buyers and an influx of southern buyers escaping the winter chill. The lower end of the market in units and houses is absolutely on fire, with incredible buyer demand, and we're experiencing multiple offer situations in pretty much every deal, resulting in many record prices. The increased demand has been due to buyers entering the market due to rising rents, making purchasing more affordable than renting in many cases, and many long-term landlords are selling their investment properties due to the new pro-tenant legislation changes. Rental vacancy rates are very low, hovering around 1%. Affordability is a major issue in this space, with record high rents making it very difficult for tenants. Sloping land site sales are almost at a standstill due to rising construction costs and extended build times. However, conversely, with supply of flat land restricted and availability falling, the prices are increasing for newly titled level blocks, particularly on the south side. The biggest industry news is the introduction of the new Seller's Disclosure Statements, which came into play on Friday the 1st of August. So this scheme basically aligns Queensland with other Australian states by shifting from a buyer beware model into a statutory buyer informed system. So prior entering into a contract, sellers must provide the buyer with a Form 2 and need to disclose things such as any title encumbrances, neighbourhood disputes, zoning, heritage overlays, unapproved structures, council approvals, and also provide the buyer with a rates notice, water bills, and many more other things. Nobody likes change, but I'm totally on board with the changes that have been put into play. It gives the transaction more transparency and clarity, and will reduce legal risk and any potential disputes that may arise during and after the contract period. So if you've got any questions regarding the new scheme, or want any advice regarding selling or buying, please feel free to reach out anytime. I'm Carl Latham, and thanks for watching.